How to fix Telegram download stuck. Hello guys, so all what you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now click on Telegram right here, and after that force stop the app. That's the first option. After that, click on notifications management and make sure to enable all these options like this, and also make the lock screen notifications on show like that. Choose show. Go back and then click on data usage here and make sure to enable those four options. Go back again, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache, and after that restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.